Let's imagine that history is represented by this line. As it advances through time, it will encounter various events which can significantly change its course. The Battle of Gettysburg was one such event. The battle was fought over 3 days, commencing the 1st of July, 1863. After the first day, a Confederate victory was the likely course of history. Generally, an event like this operates in 3 arenas of time, hours, days, or perhaps weeks, within a geographical area, probably quite large, and involving many people. But perhaps as the event unfolds, something happens in a small portion of these arenas, over a short period of time, in a small place within the geographical area, and influenced by just a few people. Notice these 3 key words commencing with P: short period, small place, and few people, and particularly the adjective before them. Occasionally, these 3 P's can have such a profound effect on an event as it unfolds that the course of history is changed. It now follows an unlikely path, which becomes the actual path. On the second day at Gettysburg, there was a race between the Confederates' 15th Alabama and the Union's 20th Maine to occupy a small hill called Little Round Top at the southern end of the Union line. There was only 10 minutes in it. The regiment to first reach the top would decide the course of history. The short period of time is referred to as the window of opportunity. During it, the course of history is changed by just a few people having their influence in a small place. At Gettysburg, the short period was only 10 minutes. The small place was Little Round Top, and the few people were the troops of the 15th Alabama and the 20th Maine. The deviation this event causes between the likely path and the actual path history takes, we can call the angle of significance. We now have the Watershed Model as defined by Brian Savas. In Brian's various publications, he uses the phrase, "History has taken the unlikely path and we stand on improbable ground." History has many watersheds. In his novel Australian Watershed, Brian examines a few and creates his fantasy equivalents as he tells his alternative history.